Ginalima Shudumo, Pirates 1, Siwelele 1. Uring Kabapadi.
I get happy.
Yeah.
I'm not happy at all.
Sure.
Kapapadia today. We were supposed to win this one. We can't afford to lose this one because we won the league.
But you gained 1 point.
1 point is not enough.
Yeah.
We need 3 points.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need 3 points.
What made you lose? What made you lose today? As you say, you lost.
We lost because of the first half. We should have capitalized on all those
Chances.
Yeah, all those chances.
Yes.
We should have capitalized.
Yeah.
We should capitalize. Then second half we managed to equalize. Then we miss other chances.
Yeah.
We miss about 15 or more chances.
Sorry, I know Gali. It's a Gali.
I will see. We are not sure where we stand.
Yeah.
It will depend. If Sundowns strong,
Yes.
we're still safe.
Yes.
If they win,
Yeah, but there's still, still about 10
squad.
games to play for Sundowns.
You know Sundowns.
Yeah.
Sundowns.
Yeah, it's
that one. They make sure.
Yeah.
That one they make sure.
Yeah.
We Pirates, we don't afford to lose.
So guys are no
worry.
worries.
The possibility is there,
Yeah.
but we still have a chance. It depends.
Yes.
If we win the upcoming game
Yeah.
and Sundown draw somewhere
Yeah.
and loses,
Yes.
we still have a chance. We depend on Orlando and on Sundowns.
Yeah.
Depend on Sundowns right now. Then also we have to win the remaining games.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
We have to win the remaining games, or else the league is gone.
Pirates are in a strike.
We have a striker,
Yeah.
Mahupa. Manasseh.
Yeah.
90 minutes.
Yes.
We would have scored that one.
We would have scored.
Manasseh.
Yeah.
Mahupa.
So Kamera Jela Hango in a front line
Mahupa 90 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Butuma. It should be sub. The whole 90 minutes. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, Mahupa should have Butuma 90 minutes up. Mahupa 90 minutes. I will need someone like
message
Mahupa.
maybe
Pirates.
Yeah,
we should be hopeful
yes.
and trust on Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
There's nothing we can do.
And
We are not Lamtuti team.
okay.
We will win.
We'll win.
Yeah, we have many cups.
Yeah, okay, oh, it's on and said the cups. Yeah, I really want it.
Are you not them?
Really want it was at the time.
Not them. Cups.
And we did a small mistake with loaning Mabasa because the pressure on the strikers now is down. You remember that time when Mabasa that Mabasa's present, even if was not playing, it was a good pressure on the one that they are playing. You understand? Now those guys, they're knowing if I'm not on the first 11, I'll be on the bench. If I'm not on the first 11, I'm on the bench. There's no longer that pressure that you want. Thank you. That's my point. You understand? So we have to learn from that. If we want to be competitive, to take the league, we have to make sure that we hold the whole squad up the stands and on the field to keep that competition. Because now you see Mahupa, Butumas, even if they don't score, they don't have that pressure. They know next week they're gonna play again. You get my point, member?
It should be true.
That's my point. That's what I see. But up the pass, we move forward. Even Sundowns is not gonna win all the games.
Yeah, they're still gonna lose. They're still gonna.
Thank you. It's still a long journey. It's still a long journey. I still believe even Sundowns, even a lose, they're gonna still have. Even a draw, I guarantee they're gonna still have that draw. Yes. At Orlando Pirates, the main point that I'm sending is if we want to win the league, we're supposed to keep the strong squad off the pitch and in the pitch. That's the point.
Okay, so are you giving up on the league?
Not yet. Not yet. We are going forward. We are going to fight until the last day. If this draw is going to make us to lose the league, we're going to lose with these 2 points.
Okay,
yes.
What do you come on?
Oscar. Yeah, what Pagane? It's one of them.
TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, we talk football.
Thank you, Baba.